chromophore. Sahu mentioned this in his presentation. Chromophores is what absorbs the infrared radiation, a part of the molecule that absorbs light at a specific frequency. Those are chromophores. Those are pigments. When you have chromatophores as well, all of this is pigments. It's all pigments. And why is it important to understand this? Because when they say infrared light helps to produce ATP, this is correct, but they tell us that ATP produces the energy in the cell. Now, cellular respiration is this what you're looking at here, where the mitochondria has to absorb light through the cytochromes, then the cytochromes start to transport electrons, and then the byproduct, the product that it produces is ATP, and the byproduct of cellular respiration is carbon dioxide and water. As we all know, we breathe out carbon dioxide, so that's like a byproduct of cellular respiration. But here's what they don't tell us. If ATP is the energy of the cell, then how does the cell perform cellular respiration? How does it use ATP to produce ATP? If they're telling us that ATP, which is the byproduct, or not the byproduct, the end product of cellular respiration requires energy. So what is the energy that the cell uses to produce ATP? That energy is from light being absorbed by pigments and then having an effect on water. That light, that energy is actually what's happening in the water. And in cellular respiration, they'll tell us that water is a byproduct. Yeah, they'll tell us that water is a byproduct of cellular respiration. I'm here to tell you that water is the main product. It's not the byproduct, it's the main product of cellular respiration, because all cellular activity happens in water. Without the water, we can't live. So they'll tell us that water is a byproduct when water is the main product that we need. And the reason why we need that is because infrared light structures water. And structuring water just means it electrifies it. That's where we get our energy from.